Sometimes you need a crazy hairstyle for a crazy mood, just like this one. Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Noma. So today we are making rough hair for rough mood. Guys, yeah, you heard me right. Rough hair for rough mood. Okay, let's get into it. Please, if it's your first time coming across this channel, please do not make it your last. Kindly subscribe and join the family. Okay, let's get started. Quick.
We used to have each other's playlists. No. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.
So in total we have 14 pieces. Did I say 14 pieces? I don't mind me, it's not 14 pieces. 14 session. That is what we have. easy mode, just like this one. You all don't ask me why didn't you use gel. No, I don't want to use gel. This country is